My name is Jesper. I'm one of the founders of Partisia Blockchain. I'm also a cryptographic engineer and I work on the consensus layer. Today I'm going to explain Poseidon, which is our consensus layer for Partisia Blockchain. The core of any blockchain is a ledger, which is keeping track of the order of transactions, state of smart contracts, and importantly in the case of Partisia Blockchain, transactional information on MPC protocols running on top of Partisia Blockchain. So for Partisia Blockchain, we designed Poseidon, which is a sequencer-based ledger. It means that there is a single server, the sequencer, which is sending out a sequence of blocks, a chain of blocks. And then the rest of the network, the rest of the servers are acting as validators, and they're signing these blocks as soon as they see them. Already when a block receives 2/3 signatures, it's considered justified. And in Partisia Blockchain, as soon as a block is pointed to by a justified block, it's considered final. It means it can never leave the ledger again, and the network can start acting on the transactions in the block. This means that we'll be able to finalize and act on transactions as fast as it takes for one message to travel forth and back on the network, which is basically the speed of light. This is why we're calling it speed of light finalization. So as I said, the significance of the sequencer is it makes the blockchain extremely fast. However, it also is a weak point. The sequencer cannot cheat in a blockchain, but if it should stop operate, the blockchain will stop producing new transactions. Should this happen, in Partisia Blockchain we have a fallback mechanism which is fully robust and can tolerate any kind of attack, and it will just elect a new random sequencer, put the sequence on the network, and the blockchain would start operating again. And again, this will happen within milliseconds. I mean, the value for developers, in particular as their applications are running on the Partisia blockchain, is that they will be extremely fast compared to other, what we could call Nakamoto-style blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin. There, the time between putting a transaction on the network and actually seeing the effect will be in the order of minutes. On the Partisia blockchain network, it will be in the order of milliseconds. So this is many orders of magnitude faster. Also, running a sequencer-based blockchain means we use much less power than is used in other designs. And it means it's much cheaper in terms of transaction costs to run on the network. I see three big advantages of the design for businesses. One thing is that using a sequencer-based design means that in normal operation, the blockchain is extremely fast. It means if you're running an application on Partisia Blockchain, you will be orders of magnitude faster than you would be on other kinds of designs, let's say Ethereum and Bitcoin, and you will also be faster than almost every other blockchain in operation today. Another advantage of using a sequencer-based design is that it's very cheap to run a blockchain like this. And that means we can keep transaction costs very low, which of course is very good for business. But at the same time, because we have this fully robust fallback mechanism, having speed doesn't come at the price of cybersecurity. Should the system ever come under attack, it can withstand any kind of attack. So you'll know at the same time that your applications are secure against attack. The next speaker is going to be our amazing CTO, Peter. He's going to talk about Iris, our full sharding scheme. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and thanks for watching.